Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Huawei. Begin by opening Themes app and selecting Themes section at the top left corner. Then you can tap on one of those, select Search bar and type in wherever you wish to, or click on Categories at the bottom. Then click on one of those options, like Top 3. Wherever you do, just click on theme that you like the best. Select Download at the bottom. Then download and install. And last but not least, apply. In this pop-up About Magazine unlock, you can select wherever you wish to. In my case, this card. As you can see, theme of my Huawei has changed. If you wish to go back to one of your default themes, just access Themes app again. But this time click on Me at the bottom right corner and select one of those themes, like Snowy White. Then hit Apply and wait. If you see pop-up about Always on display, you need to decide if you wish to switch it on or cancel it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!